For today's project, you need 4 size 6 seed beads, 3 different colors of size 8s. You need size 11 seed beads, your beading needle, and I'm using 24 inches of my thread. Beginning with step 1, we're going to pick up our size 6 and 11s. Repeat that until you have all 4 sets on your needle. And then I'm going to pull it down to the end of my thread, leaving just enough space that I can comfortably tie this into a circle just like that, through here and like so. For step 2, make sure your needle is coming out of one of the size 6 beads. Now we will be picking up 3 size 8s. So once you have your 3 size 8s on the needle, go into your next size 6. And repeat that all the way around. So we're going to be picking up 3 8s and into the next 6. Again, 3 8s and into the next 6. Three size 8s and into the next 6. And go ahead and step up into the first blue 6 or 8 that you added. So there we are, ready for the next step. Beginning step 3, we're going to pick up 2 size 8 beads. Coming out of this size 8, we're going to start a herringbone. We're going to needle into this 8 over here and making sure they want to sit in this herringbone shape. Picking up 1 8 of another color, I'm coming into this 8 over here. I'm going to pick up 2 8s and come into this one. Picking up 1 of the alternate color and coming into this 8. Picking up 2 8s, coming into this one over here to begin another herringbone on this corner also. Picking up an 8, coming into this over here, this 8. Picking up 2 more 8s and coming over here into this one. So we're essentially just adding another herringbone stitch on each of the 4 corners. Picking up my alternate color, coming into this one and stepping up into this one. And that's where we're at and ready for our next step. For our next step, we're going to pick up 2 8s and add another herringbone on one of the corners here. Pick up 1 8 and come in through this middle red one, exiting the middle 8, adding an 8 and into the herringbone corner. Again, picking up 2 8s Adding one more herringbone up here. So we're going to pick up an 8 and go into this middle one. Just there. Picking up another 8 and going into our herringbone. Picking up 2 8s, adding another herringbone stitch on this corner. Picking up an 8, coming into the middle 8. Picking up an 8, going into our herringbone on the corner. Picking up 2 8s to add a herringbone on the corner. Sometimes you have to get them to lay properly. Then picking up an 8, coming into the middle 8. Picking up an 8, coming into this herringbone stitch. And then stepping up into the end herringbone. We'll be ready for our next step. For our next round, we're going to be putting the tip on our herringbone and then adding 1 8, coming into the next 2 8s. Step up into this 8, add 1 more 8, coming into our herringbone, putting a tip on our herringbone, putting 1 8 on, coming into the next 2, stepping up into this 8, putting 1 8 on and coming into our herringbone, adding the tip to our herringbone, putting an 8 on our needle and coming down 2 8s, stepping up into the next 8, adding another 8 and going into our herringbone, putting the tip on our herringbone, putting on an 8 and coming into the next 2 8s, stepping up into this 8, adding an 8, and coming up into the next 8, and through the tip, the first one that we added, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. For this next step, we're going to be working with the size 11 seed beads, and we're adding 2 seed beads coming out of and going into each tip. So I added 2 seed beads and I'm coming down 3 of the 8s. Come up 2 8s and then add 2 more seed beads and the 11s going into the tip. Going into the tip, adding 2 11s. Coming out of the tip, adding 2 11s and coming down 3 size 8 seed beads. Come up 2 of the 8 seed beads. Again, adding 2 size 11s going into the tip. Coming out of the tip, add 2 11s and go into 3 size 8 beads. Come up 2 size 8s, picking up 2 11s going into the tip bead. Coming out of the tip bead, picking up 2 size 11s and coming into 3 size 8s. Come up 2 size 8s, picking up 2 11s going into the tip bead. To prepare for the next step, I'm going to needle over to the other tip, coming down all these and coming up to, but not into, just up to the next tip. Right there, we'll be ready for our next step. Our final step, we're going to be picking up 5 of the size 11 beads and going over the tip into the 11s and 8s on the other side. And then we're going to come up our 8s and the 2 11s before the tip. Now that we're at this point, we're going to add 5 11s and come over the tip into the next 11s, down the 8s, and up our 8s, and both 11s before the tip. Now that we're at the tip, we're going to pick up 5 11s, go over the tip and into the 11s and 8s on the other side. One more tip to go to, so needle up your 8s and your 11s before the tip, picking up 5 seed beads and going over the tip and into the 11s on the other side. Coming down, securing with a knot, and repeating that a few more times as you wish. And we have our finished shape right here. I used some of my shapes to make this bracelet. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and as always, happy beading!